Hello and welcome. So let's get to it, shall we? So we're given that ABCD is a parallelogram, and we're told three different angles. All right, we're told the angle ABD. So if we connect them together, A to B to D is going to be this little angle on the inside here, because that's the angle that's formed between A, B, and D. And we're told that thing's 11. Okay. Next, we have CBD. So here's C, B to D. So it's just going to be the other side of that small little angle. So that's going to be this little section right in there. And we're told that is 8x minus 14. And then last but not least, we're told that BAD, so here's BAD, we're told that that section in there is going to be 23. Now that one, it's the whole section because we're going B to A to D. The only thing that's formed is that entire section there. It's not cutting its way to C at all, so you know it's not a smaller portion. Okay, so those are the three angles you're given. Alright, and hopefully that's enough to kind of help you see what you need to do. There's only two properties when it comes to parallelograms and angles. First thing that you know about parallelograms and angles is that if the angles are opposite of each other, then they are congruent, meaning they're the same. But if they're not opposite, if they are adjacent, they are side by side, then in which case they are what we call supplementary. In other words, they add up to 180 degrees, which means that the blue angle added to the yellow and purple is 180 degrees. And that is the relationship you need to know here. Oops, I highlighted in blue. Let me do blue there. Okay, so that means that you have the 23 from our blue angle plus the 11 of the yellow angle plus the 8x minus 14 of the purple angle. And that's literally the entire angle for A and the entire angle for B. So if we add them up, they should be 180 degrees. Okay, so then solve. Right, combine all of your like terms together. So we have just 8x on one side. There's nothing to combine with 8x. And then you can add 23, 11, and negative 14. So 23 plus 11 is going to be 34. Minus 14 is going to give us 20. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 20 to the other side. So then we get 8x equals 160. Divide by 8. X is 20. Okay, so then all you have to do is just plug it back in, make sure your solution makes sense. So it's alright, so now 20 goes back in for x. So we have 8 times 20, which we literally just found, that's 160. Alright, so then we have 160 minus 14, because it's 8 times 20 minus 14. So we have 160 minus 14, and that is 146. That's a positive number, which means it works out, and that means 20 is indeed your solution to x. And ironically, now that we plug 20 in, that's also the measure of the angle itself. So 146 is your answer for angle CBD. Okay, because we plugged it into CBD. If it asked what ABD was, you already know that. That's 11. You would put 11 in the blank. Okay, but that's kind of a moot question. It'll usually be wherever your x was for that one. Okay, now you don't have to worry about putting the degree symbol in there. It'll assume that you already have the degree symbol. So you only have to put the 146 in. But it is technically 146 degrees. Alright, that would be all for this one. Thanks for watching.